Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. In today's video, I got my baby. I am going to show her how to make a pound cake from scratch. It's easy peasy. She loves to bake, and so people who love to bake, bakers gonna bake, okay? So we're about to get started. Let me show you our ingredients. Okay, so our ingredients, we have 3 sticks of butter. Boom, okay? We have a block of cream cheese, 6 large eggs. In this container, I did 4 cups of cake flour that I sifted again with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. Also, we have 3/4 cup of milk, and then we have several flavorings over here. We have creme bouquet, we have princess cake emulsion, cream cheese emulsion, butter, vanilla. So we're just gonna play around with it, okay? We also have almond, and then we have some sugar over here. All right, so we gonna get started. Y'all baking with us today? Hopefully so. Let's do it.
Welcome to our channel,
Ballards by Design.
You do it too much.
Okay, so we have 3 sticks of butter. We're gonna go ahead and go in with that. Oops. She gonna get it all. And her hands are clean, okay? Okay, and then cream cheese, a block of cream cheese. And now we're gonna get mixing. Alright, and now we're going to add our 3½ cups of sugar. Your cream cheese, butter, and sugar needs to cream for at least 10 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. After 5 minutes, we're gonna scrape the sides down, and it's looking pretty good. We're gonna let it go about 5 more minutes, okay, y'all? And at this point, it's still pretty grainy, so that's why it needs to go about 5 more minutes. We want it light and fluffy and smooth. Alright, so she's going to go ahead and scrape the sides down one more time, and let's let y'all see how nice, light, and fluffy it is now. And that's what you're looking for. Get a scoop and let them look a little bit. That's how it should look. Okay. Now, we're going to get those eggs added in one at a time, mixing after each. And we're gonna mix these on a lower speed. So start it at about 2. Now she's adding in the flavoring. We will be doing a teaspoon of each and 2 tablespoons of the vanilla. If you've made it this far in the video, please give us a thumbs up, as that does help our channel. Also, we hope you please consider subscribing for more content. As you can see over there, our oven is preheated to 325. This cake does bake for an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and 25 minutes, depending on your stove. Okay, so now that the flavors are mixed in, we're going to do the flour and milk. We're going to add those in alternately, starting and ending with flour. As you can see here, our flour isn't mixed in quite well, but that's okay. We're just going to take our spatula and we're going to mix it around. So just, scrape your sides down and then just kind of fold in the rest of that flour. You know what I mean by fold in? No, because you don't want it to overmix. So fold in basically means take it from the side, push it forward, making sure you're going all the way to the bottom. There you go. We also have our Baker's Joy. We're going to go ahead and get our pan prepared, because you want to spray it with a baking spray, or you want to butter it and flour it, however you prepare your pan, to get ready to go in the oven. Now, to make sure you get all the corners of it. We apologize, but for some reason the camera stopped recording and we were unaware, so we missed a few steps. The next thing you'll see is the cake going in and coming out of the oven. I do have a little foil under there just in case it bakes over, but it shouldn't. For an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, the cake is done and it looks quite lovely. All right, that's the sweet little sugar's cake. You did well, little girl. All right, so she's gonna make a little cream cheese glaze. We're gonna use half of a block of cream cheese.
Okay, there's the half.
And it is very, very soft. Now we're gonna add to this about 2 cups of powdered sugar. No, that looked like too much, but that's okay. Go ahead and mix that together a bit.
No, it's just about 2 cups.
Alright, so we're going to go in with half a teaspoon of vanilla. Half a teaspoon of cream cheese emulsion, just to make it a little more cream cheesy tasting. That's enough. And just a bit of our cream bouquet, just because we like it like that. Alright, now mix that together a little bit. And about a teaspoon of milk. Okay.
Do you think it needs one more?
No. That's enough. Because you don't want it too watery. Okay, y'all. That's about the consistency that you want your cream cheese icing, if that's what you choose to use. If not, you know, you can do whatever kind of glaze you want. Alright, so we're just going to pour it over little by little. Little by little. Just a little. Go all the way around. Go around. Go around. And then we're going to spread it. Stop. Stop. Okay. Oops. And now, it's okay. Take the spatula and just kind of spread it around a little bit. We'll fill in what needs to be filled in.
Oops.
Okay, you can add a little bit more.
Need some right here.
Now we're going to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Yeah, you got to cut your cake. Okay. Baby, you got to cut your cake. Don't cut it too big now.
I won't.
Oh, that's going to be too little. Girl, that ain't even a whole piece of cake.
I only want to taste.
Is you gonna be able to get that out of there? Look at there. Doesn't that look delicious?
It does.
It is perfect. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is perfect.
Okay, so now I'm going to try some of the cream cheese pound cake. It's super good.
Nice, crumbly, moist, soft. What is it?
It's super good and really moist. I really like the flavor a lot.
All right, it's good. And it was easy. Was that easy for your first time?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
All right. Well, we gotta go because we finna eat cake. Love y'all big. Bye. As always, thanks for watching Ballards by Design. Catch you on the next video.